In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of MongoDB, including its data structure and the installation process. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that manages data in a flexible, document-based format. Instead of storing data in tables like traditional relational databases, MongoDB stores data as documents, JSON-like objects, making it easier to work with complex and changing data. A NoSQL database is designed to store non-relational data, allowing flexible schemas, scalable storage, and fast performance for modern applications. To install MongoDB on macOS, first open the terminal. Begin by installing Homebrew, which is a package manager for macOS. Once Homebrew is installed, add the MongoDB tab so that Homebrew can access MongoDB packages. Then, install the MongoDB Community Edition, version 7.0, using Homebrew. After the installation is complete, you can check the installed MongoDB version to verify that everything is set up correctly. Next, open the terminal application on your Mac, paste the Homebrew installation command into the terminal to begin installing. The system may ask for your Mac's administrator password. Type your password and press enter. Note that the characters will not appear on the screen as you type. This is normal. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes. After you press enter, the terminal will display the installation script details. You will see information about what Homebrew is going to install, including the new directories that will be created on your system. This helps you understand the changes that will be made before continuing. Once the script finishes displaying the details, you will see a prompt asking you to continue. Press enter to proceed with the installation process. Homebrew will then begin downloading and installing the required files and setting up the necessary directories on your system. Once the installation is complete, the terminal will display a message asking you to run 2 additional commands. These commands are required to add Homebrew to your system's path so that you can use the brew command from anywhere in the terminal. Carefully select and copy the 2 commands shown in the terminal. After running both commands, Homebrew will be properly added to your path. To make sure Homebrew is up to date, run the following command in your terminal: brew update, press enter. This command updates Homebrew itself and fetches the latest list of available packages, cold formulae and casks. It ensures that you're installing the most recent and secure versions of software. Wait for the update process to finish. Once completed, Homebrew will let you know if everything is already up to date or if any updates were applied. Next, use Homebrew to add the MongoDB repository tab so that you can access MongoDB packages. After adding the tab, install the MongoDB Community Edition, version 7.0, using Homebrew. Once the installation is finished, you can verify that MongoDB was installed correctly by checking its version. After installing MongoDB, you can verify the installation by checking its version. Running this check will show both the MongoDB version and additional build information, confirming that the installation was successful and the database is ready to use. You have successfully learned the basics of MongoDB, installed it on your system, and verified that it's working correctly. You are now ready to start creating databases, inserting data, and running queries. With this setup, you can explore MongoDB's flexible document structure, practice with collections, and begin building applications that take advantage of its high performance and scalability.